Good morning, dear students. Welcome to our online classes. At present, I am in the 9th standard first language English class. In the previous class, we already discussion about the poem, the nice poem geography lesson composed by Zulfikar Ghosh. So, we are in the last stanzas numbers 20 and 24. In that, it contains only little lines. So, those lines we have to understand from this poem, and today itself we have to complete this poem also. Just you have to observe there. In previous class, we already know that how is the sky is very clear. For what reason? How to help that clear sky to the jet aeroplanes or helicopters when it flying, when that aeroplane is flying over the sky, the clear sky. At the moment, what will happen? What are the changes? We already observed these are all points in the previous class, and now it is the time to understand what next. Here, when the jet rose 6 miles high. When the jet rose 6 miles high, just you have to understand there is one statement. The jet rose 6 miles. Six miles high. This is the sentence. Just you have to understand. This is the subject. This is the word. This is the object. So you have to identify in which tense of this statement is there. Just you have to understand. Here, rose, rise, rose, risen, V1, V2, V3. That means what? Here V1 refers to simple present tense, V2 refers to simple past tense, V3 refers to present perfect, past perfect, future perfect. That means past participle. It is not a future tense. Just you have to understand here. Here rise, they are not given rise, rose. They are given rose. So it is in a simple past tense. You have to convert into a rest of other tenses. How to convert that? The jet rose 6 miles high. The jet was rising 6 miles high. The jet had risen 6 miles high. The jet had been rising 6 miles high. These are all statements in a simple past tense. The same manner you have to change in a present tense and a future tense. Today itself we have to change, and evening, during the time of evening, you should send these rest of present and future 8 statements to group. Okay, don't miss it. And it is possible to write means you have to write in rough notes. Okay, we have to start on the next line. When the jet rose 6 miles high, it was clear that the earth was round. When we are in the plane, at the time we are staying in the plane, we have to observe that land, we have to observe the earth. It is clearly observing there. What we have to observe? The earth was round. How is earth is look like? Earth is look like very round. When we have to get clear, when we are traveling in the jet airlines, up to 6 miles high. 6 miles high means when we are in 6 kilometers from the earth. At the time when we are in the aeroplane, we have to bend down and see the observing the earth. At the time we have to observe there the clearly earth is look like a round shape. The next, and that it had more sea than land. When just you have to understand our country India, it is a subcontinent in the world. Why? Because it's surrounded by three shaped here like this. In these three side water are there, water bodies are there. Only one side land bodies is there. That's why it is considered as subcontinent in the world. Like that, which one is, two things are there. One is land body and one more is water body. Water body considered as seas or oceans. Land bodies are considered as continents. The same manner we have to understand. The more we have to observe in the aeroplane, the total which one is enoughly, we have to find out the sea or ocean. Water body is enough there, land body is very less there. Next, but it was difficult to understand. For what reason? Water body is more than land. There is a it is very difficult to understand. Why? Because it is belonging to that information nature. It is a nature created by the nature, not man-made. Just you have to understand the point. That the men on earth found causes to hate each other, to build walls across cities, to kill. When we have to find out like this, for what reason sea is more there, ocean is more there, land is very less there? Because of in that land area we have to construct many buildings. That's why the land area is looking like a very small. It is not possible to build a big buildings in the ocean or seas. That's the major reason. That's why the seas or oceans looking very broad. But in land area, it's very narrow. The final was last sentence. From the height, it was not clear why. When again and again we are going to height, it is not clear to find out the clear picture of the earth. So in this manner, we have to understand that totally. In the geography lesson, this poem is completed today. So today night I will send you this textual question answer. You should recite minimum 2 or 3 times and write one time neat handwriting in your fair notes. And today itself we have to change into this statement in all 12 tenses and send to the group. Okay, thank you.